Pasefika. Talo falava. In this video we will draw a pig with colored pencil. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw, paint, and create art. A pig is known as Puaʻa in both Sāmoa and Hawaiʻi. This pig is male, which is also known as a boar. Wild pigs are also known as feral pigs or feral hogs. The browns we will be using for this pig include light umber, dark brown, and sienna brown. Begin the outline of the pig with light umber and add value with dark brown. Start to add the bristles of the pig with light umber and dark brown. Use black to color the bristles and continue to add value. Use true green, olive green, and dark green to color the grass. Continue to fill in the pig bristles with various brown colors. Add value to the pig and continue to fill in the bristles with black. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.